How to fix Roblox client is not responding error. So this error usually occurs because of the compatibility issues between Roblox app and your PC. So in order to fix this, the first method you can try out is go to your Roblox player right here, right click on it, go to properties option, go to compatibility tab, and make sure that you check this disable full screen optimization option right here. Click on it, and after that, click on this option, run this program in compatibility mode 4. Click on the drop down menu, click on Windows 7. After that, don't forget to apply your settings. Click on apply, and the problem of Roblox client not responding is likely to be fixed. Now this is one of the options you can try out for both Microsoft Store and site version of Roblox. But the method that I'm going to teach you now is specifically for Microsoft Store Roblox. What you can do is go to apps, go to settings, and at the left side panel click on apps, go to installed apps, scroll down and search for Roblox. After you find Roblox, then click on the three dot icon right here, right beside it. And if you have advanced options right here in this drop down menu, then click on the advanced option, and there you'll see a repair button. Make sure to click on repair, or else is what you can do is uninstall the Roblox app, and after you uninstall the Roblox app, go to your Microsoft Store again, go to the search bar, search for Roblox, and after that click on get again. After that your Roblox will be reinstalled, which might fix your problem of the compatibility issues between the Roblox app and your PC. Now the last option that I'm going to teach you is to update drivers. In order to update driver, go to your device manager, go to display adapters right here, and after that you'll see a list of graphics drivers that you have inside your computer. Right click on it and click on update driver. If you have the NVIDIA GeForce, then make sure that you have the GeForce Experience application, and inside GeForce Experience, go to the drivers tab right here, click on it, and after that if you have download or install button right here, then make sure you click on the install or download button, which will update your graphics driver, which might fix the problem of Roblox client not responding. So that's it. Those were the methods on how you can fix the problem of Roblox client not responding due to compatibility issues between Roblox app and your PC. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.